Hello everyone, welcome to another Geekbot how-to video. Today I'll show you how to post a report with Geekbot directly from Slack. In Slack, Geekbot has already sent a reminder to complete our stand-up. Click Geekbot to open your direct messages with the bot. Here's the first question, and on the right you'll see Quick Actions. You can cancel this report, you can reuse your previous response to save time, or you can set vacation days so Geekbot won't message you while you're away. Now, let's start reporting. First question, how do you feel today? I'll answer, good to go, and send. Next, what have you done since Monday? Under the question, Geekbot shows what I reported in my last update as a helpful reminder. I'll type, finished the help docs and had a sync with the engineers, and send. To create a list, simply use Shift and Enter. Next, what will you do today? Today I'll follow up with customers on open issues, and send. Last question, blockers. Nothing major today, but I'll add, just monitoring escalated cases, and send. And that's it. Once you submit your answers, Geekbot posts your report to the channel automatically. Let's go see what it looks like. Here it is in the stand-up channel. It's easy to scan and easy for the team to follow. Scroll up and you can also see reports from your teammates. And if you ever forget something, you can update your report. Go to the message actions, choose Edit Message, and add the missing detail, like tagging a teammate for a quick response. Back in the channel, you'll immediately see the updated version. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.